Welcome back to Art AM.
And I'm Emily. Today we'll be making monster heads inspired by Halloween jack-o'-lanterns, like this.
Today you will need cardboard box, printer paper, extra cardboard, paper plate, scissors, glue stick, tape, some felt pieces, some feathers, some pom-poms, paintbrushes, a water cup, and acrylic paint.
Let's start with some small thumbnail sketches of monster faces. Thumbnail sketches are like a rough copy of what you want your final design to be. This will help give you an idea of how your monster will look. Include eyes, nose, teeth, horns, and anything else you'd like your monster to have. Now let's construct our box using tape to hold it together. Now that we've constructed our box, I've drawn a rectangle shape in the middle of one side. And get a parent or guardian to help you with this part, but we're going to cut out this rectangle, and this will be a hole for us to see out of when we put it on our heads.
Now it's time to paint. So once you have paint on your paper plate, start covering the whole box. I'm gonna do green. Once your box is painted and completely covered, set it aside so it'll dry. Next, take the extra cardboard and some pieces of felt and cut out features for your monster's face.
Once you've cut everything out, we're going to glue them all down. So if you have separate pieces of felt, you can stick them to each other with your glue stick. So here I've also cut out some different features for the monster. So we cut out some eyes and some arms. We painted them with paint on the cardboard, and we cut out some felt things. So now it's time to stick them onto our monster face. So first, you're going to want to lay them out so you know where you want them to go. And then we're going to use a glue stick, and we're going to attach everything to the box.
So, once you've glued everything down and it's all dry, take some extra decorative materials like pom-poms or feathers and place them on your monster to make him extra scary. Okay, so once everything is glued down and it looks pretty, you can ask a parent or guardian to help you cut off the extra flaps at the bottom.
And we're finished. Give your monster head a name, a personality, and try it on. If you like this craft, try using recyclable materials from your home to make some friends for your monster.
Thanks for crafting with us, everyone. We'll see you monsters later.